Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to budget your money. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget your money. So I'll give you 10 steps in budgeting your money to have a lot of money, even if you are not that old. So here are the steps. The first step in budgeting your money, understand your income. So you need to understand the income, whether if you're like a student or maybe you have a job, a salary, maybe an investment, and use the net income after tax for your budgeting. And second step is by track your expenses. So record everything, monitor your daily, weekly, and monthly spending. Categorize expenses into fixed represents fixed expenses, variable expenses, and this discretionary spending. I'm sorry for um my speech. I'm getting a little bit of I think it's called stutter in English, but in Tagalog it's called the bubulul. Bubulul. So I'm getting stuttered because I haven't talked for a while. So yeah, and so we're gonna go to step three. Step three is set financial goals. So make sure to set a financial goal for a short term, long term goal, and of course prioritize goals based on importance and timeline. And number four, choose a budgeting method. So there's one rule that a lot of people use. It's called 50-30-20. 50% for the needs, 30% for the wants, and 20% for the saving debt repayment. There you go. And also you can use the zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a purpose until your income equals your expenses. And we have the envelope system. Allocate specific amounts to envelopes for each category. And number five, we have create your budget. So use tools like spreadsheets, apps, and or maybe just use a normal paper, maybe diary, a book, and set a realistic limits for each category based on past spending. Number six, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to handle unexpected costs. And for number seven, reduce unnecessary spending. Identify non-essential expenses you can cut back. Consider cheaper alternatives or limit luxury purchases. And number eight is automate savings. So, set up automatic transfers to savings or investments accounts. And number nine is monitor and adjust. Review your budget regularly to ensure it's aligned with your goals and adjust for change in income, unexpected expenses, or involving priorities. And for the last step is stay disciplined. Avoid impulsive buying by waiting 24 hours before making an unplanned purchase, and reward yourself for hitting milestone but stay within your budget. There you go, guys. That's how you save money. And a quick tip for you guys, pay yourself first. Before spending on anything else, set aside a portion for your income for savings or investments. This ensures you prioritize your financial goals and builds a habit of saving constantly. Even starting with just 10% of your income can make a big difference over time. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys learned something, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.